welcome back to my channel. I hope all are doing great. Friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of a newly launched product from Garnier, and that is Garnier Skin Naturals 30x Booster Serum with Vitamin C. So friends, this is a new launch from Garnier Skin Naturals. A review of this particular serum is on trend in YouTube right now, and many YouTubers are doing videos at the same time. So I thought of purchasing this product and trying this out because I have been using so many Garnier products and I love them so much. That's why I thought of trying this out. So friends, before proceeding, I just wanted to give you a little disclaimer, that is, this product I have bought from my own money. This is not at all a sponsored video, or I have not received this product in my PR. I have taken this serum from Flipkart and I bought it from Flipkart. So friends, let's get started with a review of this serum, and after that I'll be sharing with you whether you should buy this serum or not, whether it is worth the money or not, and how it performed on me. So let's get started. So friends, you can see this is the outer cardboard packaging. The serum came in a packaging like this. So it's written Garnier Skin Naturals New Light Complete Speed Vitamin C 30x Booster Serum, and here it's written the quantity. We are getting 30 ml of serum in this, which is a pretty good quantity that we are getting. And on the back also some details are mentioned. The claims of this product, of this serum, are mentioned. You can see, you can pause and read by yourself. And here it's written how to use this particular serum. So you can use this serum both in daytime and night time. So friends, you can see the MRP is written. So this serum retails for rupees 449, but this particular serum I have taken from Flipkart on a very good discount. So I have bought this for only rupees 360. So friends, here on the top you can see there are other details also mentioned, like on the, it's written on the first use skin is smoother, brighter and more translucent. In 3 days skin looks visibly fairer with 85% reduced darkening from melanin plus and 30% reduced in spot size plus. This claim is actually a very big claim from Garnier. So later I will also discuss about all these aspects and whether it really works on our skin or not. So friends, you can see the ingredients that are used in making this serum. So another thing that I wanted to mention is that there is no paraben mentioned. So there is no paraben in this product. So friends, you can see the packaging. It comes in a packaging like this, a glass packaging, which is really not at all travel friendly. You need to be very careful if you are traveling somewhere. And it comes with a dropper in its cap. So it is really very convenient to use, and nothing is mentioned on this bottle, only the expiry manufacture date is mentioned. So I'll be putting the serum on my hand and I'll be showing you the consistency. You can see it is a very translucent type of serum, and it is also watery. It is not very thick. So friends, you can see I have not applied anything on my face. I am totally bare-faced, and you can see the spots that I have on my face. You can see there are 2 spots visible. I hope you can see, and the camera is picking up. And here also I have little bit dark spots. You can see very little. It is very watery. It is flowing on my face. You can see. And it is very cooling and soothing. I'll just blend it well on my face, then I'll pat it like this so that it gets absorbed onto my skin, and you can see the instant glow that has given to my face. So friends, this is my second day. I'm going to apply this serum on my face, and I'm recording this video in daylight so that you can see my skin right now. And I've just applied a lipstick and I have not applied anything on my face. The spots are still there. So I'm going to apply this serum now. So I'm just going to blend it well. And friends, I don't have sensitive skin, but sometimes I get pimples and acne from some new products that I apply on my face. But from this product I have not got any such type of problem on my skin, as you can see. So friends, today is the third day. I have just washed my face. As you can see, I have not applied anything on my face, and this is the morning time. I have just taken bath and I have come out. So I am going to apply this serum right now in front of you. And from the past 2 days I have been applying this serum, and I don't see a major difference in the size of the spots that I have on my face. Here you can see. And now I'm going to apply this serum once again. I'm just going to blend this like this. Friends, today is the 4th day and I am recording this video. Friends, you can see the spots are still there. They are still visible on this side of my face, and on the right side of my face as well. The spots are still visible. They have not reduced in size. So friends, the first thing that I've noticed about this serum is it gets instantly absorbed to my skin. It's a very beautiful lightweight formula and it is little bit watery. And friends, this serum also has a little bit of smell. It is not at all very strong or very overwhelming. And friends, coming to the skin type, here it's written this serum is going to work on all skin types. Friends, definitely this product is going to make your skin even more dry if you are having dry to super dry skin. And if you're having normal to combination to oily to super oily skin, then definitely you can try this particular serum. It's going to work well on your skin. Friends, coming to how this serum worked on my skin. So friends, definitely this product has improved the texture of my skin. I have been using this product from the past 9 days. I have been using this product 2 times a day, in the morning, in my morning skincare routine, and in my night skincare routine also. I have been using this serum. After applying this serum, I can feel a little bit of tightening effect on my skin, which is really good for aging skin. So if you are 30 plus, you can definitely try this particular serum. So after applying this serum, I have not got any itchiness, any irritation, any sensation, any rashes, any pimples or acne, or any sort of skin problems on my face, friends. So friends, coming to two ingredients that is used to make this particular serum. The first is ascorbic acid, which is a really very good antioxidant, anti-soothing agent, and also it has anti-aging properties. So friends, coming to the next ingredient, that is lemon, that is used in this particular serum. So lemon is actually a natural source of vitamin C, and it also has antioxidant and anti-aging properties, and along with that it also helps in preventing premature aging, and if you are having blemishes and pigmentation, it helps in reducing pigmentation. So that is a really very good ingredient that is used in this particular serum. Now I'm going to share with you the pros and cons that I found in this particular serum. Friends, the pro number one that I found is Garnier has provided the full ingredients list on their packaging itself. So here they have provided their full ingredients list. So definitely if any one of you is allergic to any particular ingredient, or you don't like any particular ingredient in your skincare product, then definitely you can check it over here. You can go to their website as well. Ingredients are also shared over there, so you can definitely check, and you can decide whether to take this or not. Friends, I have been using so many products, and many skincare products that don't provide their full ingredients list on their packaging. They only give the key ingredients list. So that is what I like, because Garnier is really very honest in this matter. The pro number two that I found is it is very easily available. You can find this product anywhere in the local shops, in online websites, everywhere. And the third pro that I found is this particular company. Garnier is a really very good skincare company. I have been using many of their products. And pro number four, the formula. The formula is very lightweight. It gets easily absorbed to skin, and there is no oiliness and stickiness on face, which I really liked a lot. Friends, pro number 5 that I found is this particular serum really helps in improving skin's texture. It firms skin, it smoothens skin. Coming to the sixth pro that I found is this particular serum really works well as a primer. So you can definitely use it as a primer before application of any makeup. Friends, coming to the cons, first is the packaging. The packaging is glass, as you can see. So it is not at all travel friendly, and if you are traveling somewhere, it might crack, it might break. That is one issue. The second con is the price. I feel like the price is a little bit high because it retails for rupees 449, and for this price we are getting only 30 ml of serum. So friends, coming to the third con and the main con that I found in this particular serum, Garnier has claimed like this particular serum is going to work really well on reducing the dark spots and acne and pimple marks on our face. But after using this product from the past 9 days, I have not seen any major changes on the spots that I have on my face. But definitely it has given me a good skin. It has firmed my skin. I get a very good feeling while applying this particular serum, which I really enjoyed. It has a very good soothing and cooling sensation on my face while applying, and also immediately it provides a very good glow and hydration and brightening effect on skin. So if you are someone who is having so many skin issues, if you are having very high pigmentation, blemishes, so many pimples and acne marks, then it's not going to work on your face, and you should definitely visit a dermatologist, and you should use medicated products. But if you're someone who just want to pamper yourself with a good skincare product, and if you want to have a really good brightness on your face and a immediate glow on your face, and you are thinking to purchase any serum for that purpose, then definitely you can try this particular serum. Friends, definitely I recommend this serum. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this, and you are going to like this. So friends, those were all the points that I wanted to share with you regarding this particular serum. So friends, if this particular video is really helpful and you enjoyed watching, then please give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload any of my future videos. So friends, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Love you.